Hello everybody! Welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 7, let's get started. Number 1, magnificent. It means extremely beautiful, impressive, or splendid. Here are 2 examples. 1, the palace had a magnificent view of the mountains. 2, she wore a magnificent gown to the ceremony. Number 2, tenacious. It means very determined and persistent. Here are 2 examples. 1, the scientist remained tenacious despite repeated failures. 2, his tenacious spirit helped him finish the marathon. Number 3, radiant. It means shining brightly, full of happiness or energy. Here are 2 examples. 1, the bride looked radiant on her wedding day. 2, the sun was radiant over the calm sea. Number 4, inventive. It means creative and good at thinking of new ideas. Here are 2 examples. 1, the engineer's inventive solution solved the technical problem. 2, she is very inventive with decorations for parties. Number 5, resilient. It means able to recover quickly from difficulties. Here are 2 examples. 1, the resilient community rebuilt after the flood. 2, he is resilient and keeps trying no matter the setbacks. Number 6, enthusiastic. It means showing intense and eager enjoyment or interest. Here are 2 examples. 1, she was enthusiastic about joining the new project. 2, the students were enthusiastic during the science workshop. Number 7, metamorphic. It means undergoing transformation or change. Here are 2 examples. 1, the city underwent a metamorphic transformation over the decade. 2, metamorphic rocks are formed under intense heat and pressure. Number 8, astute. It means having keen insight, very perceptive. Here are 2 examples. 1, the astute manager noticed the problem immediately. 2, she gave an astute analysis of the situation. Number 9, fervent. It means having or showing strong emotion or passion. Here are 2 examples. 1, he is a fervent supporter of renewable energy. 2, her fervent speech inspired the audience. Number 10, pristine. It means in its original condition, unspoiled or pure. Here are 2 examples. 1, the hikers admired the pristine beauty of the forest. 2, the lab equipment was kept in pristine condition. Now, let's do a quick recap. Magnificent, tenacious, radiant, inventive, resilient, enthusiastic, metamorphic, astute, fervent, and pristine. Okay, which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.